Alrighty friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today Bailey and I are going to take you on another stroll. Today, my friends, we are going to head to Windmill Island, but we're going to walk from up by the train station, so let's get cracking. Alrighty friends, so you can see this is downtown Holland, and there's the train station. Not a lot of wilderness, but there are a lot of cool sights that we can check out. Including train tracks, right, Bailey? This is another brand new route for the puppy, so I am anticipating a lot of sniffing. To where we went earlier on one of our trips. Somebody just dove in the water over there. Hey puppy dog, we're gonna stay up here, no going in the marsh. Come on, big girl. This way, pretty girl. You want to smell the flowers? Come on, little lady. Side is pretty awesome. Alright, so I just noticed the arrows that tell us what side of the road to be on. So Bailey and I are going to cross over and be on the right side. Come here, big girl. Not going in the muck. No. Good girl. There is a lot of muck, as this has ran over a couple times this spring already. There's little fishies. Come on, big girl. chin and pup. Girl, yes you are. Got a bit of a wet area coming up. What are we gonna do, puppy? I don't want you in that. Come on over here, big girl. Alright, come on out here. Let's go. Let's go all the way to this side. Come here. That's down the edge there. You don't want it to get all wet, 'cause then you go home and water your back. You don't need that bad. Couldn't let it come. Come on. Try this spot. That's still pretty deep. We'll walk over. Girl. So if you've never been here, Bailey and I did this trip a little more than a week ago, and all the shops and everything were still closed. They opened up just afterwards. So now there are actually quite a few people here, and there would be an admission charge to actually get in. But today we're just going to walk around the outside, and then we'll head back. Of course, the puppy wants to get tangled on the poles, which makes life way more fun for me. This side. This way, big girl. can't get under there. Don't get stuck. Climb up. Good girl. And of course, we've got to wrap it up with a sweet view of the windmill. Alrighty friends, we are going to retrace our steps from here, but if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from Bailey and I. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.